Hi everybody. In Judaism, we have the blessings of praise and gratitude, blessings over phenomena and events. If God forbid we experience an earthquake, or if we see lightning, we should immediately say a blessing. This blessing's translation is, "Blessed are you, Hashem, our God, King of the universe, who makes the work of creation." And in Hebrew we say, Baruch, adonai, eloheinu, melech, haolam, osa, maase, bereshit. And if we hear thunder, we say this blessing. And this is their translation. Blessed are you, Hashem, our God, King of the universe, for his strength and his power fill the universe. And in Hebrew we say, Baruch, adonai, eloheinu, melech, haolam, shekוחו וגבורתו מלא olam. Thank you very much.